How do you push the boundaries of sustainability, or anything else for that matter, within the very real constraints that exist in the greater suburban condition of the country? The project idea originated with the Integrated Design Commission. It was very much interested in partnering with other parts of government and industry to build and share knowledge. We felt it extremely important to take a process from beginning to its end as much as possible. It was about formulating a team that could not only design the project but could actually build and realise and test that project.
Our team consisted of very much like-minded individuals, and I think the submission reflected that as well. We were very much promoting the whole collaborative process all the way through from start to finish. TS4 is a small practice, myself and Brett Ayland, fellow director, and to work on a competition like this was actually quite a challenge for us. We had to turn around and start to look at something which was innovative but also buildable. Regarding innovation, we had many different sort of ideas, and the portal frame idea was one of the primary ones. That linked with the timber floor, so there was very little concrete, very little carbon content in the structure. In fact, the structure would have been near positive from the start, excluding the insulation materials and the internal claddings.
There's a very big incentive in a project like this to actually source South Australian product, because if you're getting something that comes from the other side of the world, then it's got a huge carbon footprint. So we partnered up with local industry, and that was really the intention from day one, is to actually make this a partnership. So the competition brief was to design a 3-bedroom home that considered the embodied energy of construction and the energy of 50 years of the life cycle of the house.
We had two options to offset our carbon. One was to actually buy carbon credits, but the one we chose was to actually install solar panels on the roof. Now the latter actually benefits the actual owner of the house, because they then actually get a benefit of credit coming back to their energy bill. Building a zero carbon house, a low energy house, has got an additional cost up front, but the benefits longer term are far greater. That initial cost is basically waived over this period of 5, 8, 10 years. And from that point onwards then, your house starts to pay you to live there.
What we've designed is a zero carbon, zero energy house, but you don't have to compromise on comfort. We're all conscious that we need to be moving towards a low carbon future, and that's really what this project is demonstrating, that it is possible to do with local technology, local trades, and without it costing the earth.
I'd like to congratulate TS4 Living as the collaboration that pulled this project together, with TS4 Architecture leading that process and working very well with their partners from a design point of view, but also through to construction, and the very good relationship with suppliers and industry in delivering a project of this quality.